In many parts of Asia, Youtiao, or Chinese fried dough, is a classic breakfast staple. Crispy on the outside, airy on the inside, it's often paired with soy milk, congee, or tucked inside flatbreads. Today on Mini Spoon Asia, we'll show you how to make traditional golden youtiao from scratch, right in your home kitchen. Start by mixing flour with salt, sugar, baking powder, and baking soda. Add water and knead into a slightly sticky dough. This moisture gives you lightness when fried. Cover and let it rest at room temperature for at least 2 hours, or overnight in the fridge for better gluten development and flavor. Once rested, lightly flour your surface and roll out the dough into a rectangle, not too thin. Cut into strips, stack 2 together, and press the center down with a chopstick to seal. Gently stretch each piece by hand. Heat oil to around 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit and carefully lower in the dough. It should float and puff up immediately. Use chopsticks to rotate it while frying so it cooks evenly and gets golden all over. When it reaches a deep golden color, take it out and drain. The keys to success: keep the oil temperature steady, avoid overcrowding, and let the dough come to room temperature before frying. And never press too hard. You want that airy, hollow texture with a crispy bite. What you need is all-purpose flour 250 grams, baking powder 1 teaspoon, baking soda 0.5 teaspoon, salt 0.5 teaspoon, sugar 0.5 teaspoon, water 160 milliliters, oil for deep frying. And calories is approximately 330 kilocalories per 100 grams. If you loved this nostalgic deep-fried favorite, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Mini Spoon Asia, where we bring back the joy of homemade Asian breakfasts.